Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be very quick because we'll be making a headband. So if you're looking for a side hustle, something to do to earn more income, headband is one of those things you can make, and it shouldn't take you more than 2 minutes. So you can create as many as you want in a day and sell it in the market or in a supermarket, even online. All you have to do is to make as many as you want in different colors, package it very well, and start posting it online to make more money. If you're interested in learning how to make this, let's get right into it. In making the headband, the measurement you'll be needing is your round head measurement. So you're going to place a tape roll on your head and you're going to measure it all around, and whatever figure you have, that is what you're going to be using to make your headband. When I measure my round head, I had 22 inches. If you'll be making this for the purpose of sales, your measurement should range from 20 to 25 inches for an adult, since all heads are not equal, or head sizes are not equal. Then for children, the measurement should range from 13 to 19 inches. I'm using this crepe fabric for this tutorial. It is scrap material that I just used to make a dress, so I thought of what am I going to use this to do. Let me just make headband with it. This material is quite stretchy, which is very good for the headband. The length of this fabric is the length from my round head measurement, which is 22 inches. Then I added 1 inch for sewing allowance, making it 23 inches. While the width or the wideness of this fabric is 6 inches, as you can see. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to fold this length into two like this, and I'm going to head over to the sewing machine to sew it all the way down, just the way you see me directing. This is what I have after I was done sewing this all the way to this side. You can see this stitch right here. So now I'm going to turn this over to the right side. So go ahead and do the same thing. After turning this over to the right side, go ahead and arrange this properly. Make sure that the seam line is in between, like in the middle. Okay, you can also use your pressing iron to iron this properly. Make sure that the seam line is in between, just the way you see. Now go ahead and fold this into two, just the way you see me doing. The next thing is to move this one on the top to the middle like this, where the seam line is. Okay, and after that you're going to fold this remaining one towards the back, and for the other side you're going to fold it towards the front, just the way you see me doing. Now I'm going to head over to the sewing machine to stitch this up. This is it after I was done stitching this, so I'm just going to trim off the excesses. Now I'll pull this gently. You can see the knot twist at the front here. You can see how beautiful this looks. So we are basically done making this. If this video was helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. For now, bye. See you all in my next video.